Day 55. Yesterday, you used DateRules inside ScheduleOn. Today, you're going to understand what DateRules actually is. You know that ScheduleOn takes a date rule and a time rule. But where does the date rule come from, and what can it actually say? That's what this day is about. So, what is DateRules? DateRules is a class in QuantConnect that provides preset options for specifying which days a scheduled event should fire, such as every day, every Monday, or the first trading day of each month. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left, we have the recurring meeting setting. On the right, DateRules. Imagine setting up a recurring meeting in your calendar app. You don't write a custom formula for when it repeats. You pick from a list daily, weekly, monthly, every Monday. The options are already there. The recurring meeting setting here says, choose a pattern from a predefined set, don't invent one from scratch. DateRules works exactly the same way. It gives you a set of ready-made patterns to choose from, which in this case is, instead of writing logic that checks the current date yourself, you call something like DateRules every day or DateRules month start, and QuantConnect handles the rest. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of DateRules in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. DateRules lets you define the exact time of day that a scheduled event fires, true or false. And the correct answer is false. DateRules controls which days the event fires, not the time. Time is handled separately by time rules. The two work together inside ScheduleOn, but they do different jobs.